Welcome, creatives. Miss Niki here from Studio CIA. And this is video one of a super cool new series you're going to want to stick around and hear about. Join us in our punny Valentine drawings where you can draw your own animals and print out the punny sayings that I have for these. First animal up is going to be our penguin. We're going to draw a circle head with a zigzaggy hairdo. Then wherever the eyes are going to go, we're going to draw our big arches. Between those eyes, we're going to come down and do like a circle shape. And then we'll do a curve down. Almost looks like a funny Lego head character. In this little box here, we're going to add our circle. We're going to add our little beak. Underneath each arch, we want to add an eyeball. You could also add eyelashes or eyebrows. Next, we're going to add his body. One big curve off the edge of our paper and one curve going the opposite direction. This is one fin laying against him. On this side, we're going to give him a bent fin. So it's kind of like it's coming over the edge of his body. And just curve this around so you're seeing more of the flipper at this point. And because he's a Valentine's Day penguin, I want to add a nice big heart on his chest. Be sure to check out the download for the printables for this video. Because it's so quick, we are just going to do this one series in one video. We're not going to divide it up into parts 1 and 2. So, second step would be to outline our head and our facial markings. Give it a face. And those eyebrows, I'm going to switch to my ultra fine there. We're ready to add the body and fins and our heart for our Valentine. Isn't he adorable? Be sure to check out the next video in this series where we're going to draw Panda. See you in the next one.